Hi, welcome to my channel Universe Sam. Today we will discuss about how to set timer on Google Forms. This is a very useful tool, especially for teachers when they want to set a timer on their quizzes. So let's get started. So what we'll do, we'll go to Gmail, log into your Gmail. Go to Google Apps. Go down to find Forms. Because the first thing we have to do is make our quiz. Start a new one. So this is a blank form. I will name it as math quiz. Let's put a couple of questions here. All right, so my quiz is ready now. Okay, so once this is ready, you can set timer on it. By the way, in Google Forms, there is no timer. It's not built in. So we have to install the add-ons. So we go here on these three dots, the vertical dots here. Click on it, go down to find add-ons. Okay, in the search bar, just type in Google Forms timer. All right, so there are lots of them. I'm going to pick up this one, Quilgo. Install it. Continue. Choose your account. Allow. Next. Done. Okay, so I have already installed it on my browser. I'll close it. When I close it and I come back to my quiz, I'll find this thing here, add-ons icon here. So when I click on it, I'll find this timer. Click on timer, configure. Enable, Quilgo. All right, so your dashboard is ready. Go to Quilgo. And there are some terms and conditions. I agree. All right, now create tests for students. So the first question is asking is when your respondents can start their test. So I can give a specific time or any time. All right, so I'll just give a specific time, today's date, and let it be, because I want to start it now. So I would say, all right, 8:35 would do. What is the duration of the test? So I'll make it 30 minutes. So after this time, after 9:05, this will be ended. Okay, you can provide the email addresses here of your students, or you can connect it through the Google Classroom. I prefer this Google Classroom because it's very easy, and you can check my previous video about how to create Google Classroom and also how to create Google Forms. I'll give the description in this video also. So for me, I'll just go to connect your Google Classroom, sign in with your Google, pick up your account, yes, allow. Here, there are some additional features. You can enable camera tracking, or you can, and also you can enable screen recording. Okay. So the force tracking means they are supposed to use, a specific type of device so that their screens can be recorded. So for me, I will just leave it blank. Create tests. Okay. So here I created this test. Okay, now when I click on copy direct link, and I can open it here in another tab. Okay, so it says that you are given 30 minutes only. The form you have attempted to open has time limitations, and now I'll say open the form. Okay, now it's telling me all these things, that camera and screen tracking is also enabled for this form. I would say, okay, provide access to camera, allow them my camera, because the teacher wants me to open my camera for her. So provide access to screen. All right, I need to share my screen with her. Share it. And there you go. So here you have to have your camera on. And for me, I'll just leave it like that, and all good. Open the form. Okay, so my quiz started, and now you see the timer. It's already 25 left because it took me 5 minutes almost, to start off this quiz. So I have to finish it by 9:05. So I have to be quick. I would say primary student. So the rigor, I'll mark anything, odd number, okay. This is and then submit. Okay, so your response has been recorded. Now I go back to my teacher's place and see there is one response here. All right, and there on Quilgo it says go to your dashboard. So when you check this, it says that the primary account finished in time before like 30 minutes, and it took him like 5 minutes to finish it. And open tracking report, you can like this. Okay, I hope you liked this video, and for teachers it's very, very useful, because it forces the students to finish their tasks, their quizzes in time, and keep their cameras open and share their screens with the teachers and all these things. So this is a very, very useful tool for teachers. Thank you.